Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B, your beauty bestie. Today, I have to get ready because I'm going on a date with little man. We have a tea party at his school and my day's a little bit kooky because I need to get ready. I want to get ready kind of quick now. Let me see if I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I gotta get ready really quick now. I'm gonna go get my hair done. Just happened to fall on the same day. It's not why I'm getting my hair done. I need to cover these sparkles. But then I need to come back, finish getting ready, figure out what I'm gonna wear. I have no idea. And then quickly go to the school because I also volunteered to help set up. So I have to do all of that. So what I wanna kind of do right now, step one, is figure out like a base and a general like basic makeup. I have all these breakouts, which I did pick my face. I'm so frustrated at myself, but I have all these breakouts. So we gotta like kind of make it pretty. I wanna look pretty today for my little tea date with my son at his school. So let's do that. I have so much new makeup I kind of wanna play with too. So I don't know. Let's just see what we can put together. I'm pulling out the Victoria Beckham Shell Rejuvenating Priming Moisturizer. We're using that. I just finished working out and I have the shade Golden. This is the original formula of this. I don't have the reformulated one. The little golden glow on. Hopefully that wasn't a mistake. Because if anything, I'll have to start over later. Whew, I think I put too much. I'm gonna try to wipe some of it off. We're fine. We're gonna move on. Then I want to go in with the Glacier. I have the Glacier. This is Light 4. This is a concealer. And I just want to try to conceal. I just got a lot going on and I just want to quickly conceal. I have like 15 minutes. So this 15 minutes we are going to make the best of right now. Okay. Nice. Good enough, I think. What do you think? I think so. Yes. Let's continue with the Dior Face and Body, especially with getting my hair done, because this is supposed to be waterproof, all the things. And then the other day, I put it on like this, and I felt like I liked it. It was just quick. That's not how I normally like to put on my makeup, but for the sake of today, that's what we're doing. All right, this is the Sephora number 64 brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I know I'm getting my hair washed and everything, so we'll see how this holds up over that. Yeah, so I'm excited. We're going to the school. Let's have a little tea party with my son at his school. We're supposed to like, you could dress up like a fairy tale, but then I was like, I don't know if I have anything. So then me and Zeus decided we're just gonna dress up nice. We'll just dress nice. So he wore a white polo shirt and jeans, so that's nice for him, you know, and sneakers. So I'm thinking I want to wear like a long skirt. I don't know if I have a dress or if I'm in the mood to wear a dress. We'll see. I'll have to think about that while I'm getting my hair done. No idea what I'm gonna wear. Okay. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows quick. Eyebrows are done. I did get this. This is the Face Trace in Cocoa. So I want to use this. I was playing around with this last night over my makeup. It definitely has like, it's got red in it. So I think this might be really nice in the summer for me. But you could definitely see red and pink in it. Let's see how this one works out. See how it gives like a reddish, which is not bad. I don't mind it. I kind of like it. I was talking to a friend the other day and we were talking about our undertones and how colors affect us. And I was saying how I'm like a chameleon. I can really wear a lot. It's kind of just based on like what, you know, putting the whole look together. Because I'm neutral. Like, so like some people say that I have olive in my skin. I think I have olive in my skin if the things around me are green. You know what I mean? I'm very like I can almost wear any undertone, I think. So when there's like the big undertone conversation, sometimes I just like, I don't really get it because I understand, but I don't have those experiences. I feel like I can almost wear anything, or at least I'm delusional enough to think that I can wear almost anything. Just putting a little extra of this on to see if it will cover that a little better. Let's go with the blush and then we'll do the concealer. This is the new Armani shade that I picked up at the sale. It's the Brick Red shade. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the Armani blushes. I think they're so good. I'm gonna go in with the Shiseido 5. This is what's on there from yesterday. And I just wanna put on, so it actually looks good with that contour shade, because see how it's got the red in it? It really matches that. I'm gonna have that like sun-kissed look. Like I could almost use this as on my forehead as a bit of a bronzer. Okay. All right, I like that. But see how my pimple is like shouting at me? I don't like that as much. All right, that's okay. We're gonna tweak this major probably when I come home in between after getting my hair done. Now let's go in with some concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury concealer. This is what I've been using. I've been using this combo, I like it, with the Dior Face and Body. I'll just put a little extra on my pimples. I've been doing that lately, doing my concealer after my blush and then layering powder blush over it. So I do the bronzer, I do everything, and then the concealer kind of helps blend it all together. Because I go a little bit crazy, especially when I'm in a rush like now. And I see how it just kind of, see the difference? It kind of just helps to blend that in. I'm just gonna do my base. And then I'm gonna save my eyes and everything else for later. I'm just gonna leave it like this today, right now. Let me go get my hair done. I'll come back and then I'll finish up. Yeah, it looks nice, right? Like that's passable. We'll put a lip on, obviously. And I got a lot of new lip products I can use. Let's use one of these. I have these Guerlain lipsticks. This is the new, I don't know the name of these. These are the Kiss Kiss. These are the brand new ones that come out. And this is light rose. I marked it already. Let's see what this does. That's not what I want. No. Nope. That wasn't doing it for me. Okay, oh look, it stained a little. Okay, this is the Hung Van Gogh lip liner. I have a bunch of these Hung Van Gogh. I'm gonna go with that. I think that'll be good. I think it's Limitless Sky. Yes, let's use Limitless Sky. This is pink though. It's like too pink. Let's see, what's this one? From the Heart. Okay, we're gonna use Hung Van Gogh From the Heart. Yes, this is perfect. I like these. You do gotta be careful. Just squeeze out just a little bit. Almost like let the air, like kind of let it air pop bubble. See, and then if you just like kind of let, and then just like that little bit. I love the applicator. I love anything with like this metal or ceramic applicators. I love them. They just feel good on the lips. Okay. See how that just like dressed it up? And I know I didn't do anything with my eyes, so that's gonna look a little naked, but I'm just going to get my hair done, so I think it's fine. Or maybe we should do a little something. Let's do a little something. I mean, we're here. I have a few minutes. This is a Lisa Eldridge liquid eyeshadow in Sylvia. So it's just gonna put a little color on my eye. It's like skin tone color, but I think it'll just help give it a more polished look. You see how that just gave it more polish without giving it more color or anything? Just kind of, that's really pretty. I really like that. I might like that more for this type of like just setting the base than I've been loving. I can't find it right now. The MAC liquid shadows, because in Painterly, which I do like, but I like this one has more like, I don't know. This one just looks more natural on my skin tone. And again, this is Sylvia. I like it. And in my live yesterday, I wore this one, which is Mod, which is really pretty. Trying to keep it simple, but I think I just want to go with this because I don't know what I want to do with my eyes later. So this is the Lancome Single in Dawn Reflection. And look at that. It just, look at that, just brightens that up. Nice. I am going to curl my lashes just to give my eyelashes a little lift. I'm not putting anything on them though. I gotta go. I gotta run. I'm late for my hair appointment. Okay. Oh, I love that lip gloss. Pretty. I mean, it's just so soft and comfortable. I love a soft, comfortable lip. We need to set this, and I have been using so much powders, testing powders. I miss my Guerlain, so I'm pulling out the Guerlain, and we're gonna set this really quick. We're setting that. I love the way this feels on my skin. I love the way that this is. I just love everything about it. This is highly fragranced. That's the only thing. So if fragrance bothers you, I think the Sicily is a nice second choice, or actually the Sephora Blur It is beautiful too. But I just missed this one. I really did. Should we use it like a bronzer? I feel like we need a little bit of a bronze. This is more than I wanted to do, but we're here. So let's just finish it. Let's just take it home. This is the Dolce & Gabbana one in the shade number 3. I have 2 too, which I like. I like that. Okay. Do I want to put a blush on? I have this Ilia blush in Closer. It's like a bright pink, but I feel like my face could use the brightness right now. So I'm just gonna go in with my same bronzer brush and just add that to kind of brighten up a little bit. See how that just like brightened up my face? I'm gonna go in with the finishing powder, the lightest one in the Volume 2 palette from Hourglass. And just kind of blend that together. Okay, I'm just playing and messing around. I think because I'm deciding not to do my eyes until later, till I figure out what I'm gonna wear, and then I can adjust everything else. It keeps making me want to pile on more makeup to make it feel finished, but this is good for now. We're gonna leave it here. I'm gonna go get my hair done, and I'll be right back to finish up this look and get ready for my date with my boy, my little man. I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun at this school. All right, friends, we'll be back. Friends, I am so late. Okay, the appointment went really far late, so I'm just trying to quickly pick this dress out. I just think it just looks fun and florally and tea party-ish and a little bit over the top, but I think Zeus would love that. So I'm just throwing on this color. Literally trying to be so fast. I don't want to go too crazy. I'm going to use the purple, I think this is Fig something. Oh my god, I'm so late. I think Zeus will love my outfit, so I'm for it. I just want to do a little definition. I gotta go help set up. I texted her though. I told her that I told her first thing. I was like, I'm late. My appointment ran late. So what we did for my hair quick is and I love it, but we didn't have time to like dry it and make it nice. But she put, she went more cool toned, changed to like a demi. I love the color. A demi glaze, so it's like not a permanent color because we're gonna start breaking through. She had a whole plan. She's like, I have a whole plan now. And I'm like, that's amazing. I'm gonna go in with this shade. Remember we used this in the live? This is the Lunar Glow. These are the L'Oreal singles. Just to add a little sparkle, nothing crazy. Let's do our eyeliner. So you can't really see it too much, and she just put in some highlights to break through. And then because my hair goes orange, she did like an ashy, double ash or something. She did like a double ash, I don't know what she did. Double ash glaze, I don't know. And then she said I should get some purple shampoo to try to keep it up, because my hair will go orange. and be golden and brassy, but we want to go more towards the cool tones. You can't see it, but it's really pretty. But I don't have time to talk about it. We'll talk about it in another video. What do you think? Isn't that fun? So hopefully my son thinks mommy looks pretty today. He likes when I wear makeup. Probably because I wear it every day. So when I don't wear it, he's like, where's your makeup? He's so funny. And he wore like a white polo shirt and jeans. He's gonna look handsome. Let me focus a little bit. So where's the pink heart? Okay, we're gonna take the pink heart and we're just gonna be so quick about this. We're gonna just kind of brighten up the cheeks with pink. Some pink and purple, which is in the dress. Then I'm gonna take this shade and we're just gonna brighten. Yep, that works so good. And then for lipstick, I have this Dior, I don't know what shade this is. This is one of the new ones. There you go. There we go. This is the Chanel highlighter. I'm just gonna take this brush for now. And then I'm just gonna bring all of that together with the bronzer. We're gonna put the bronzer on and just bronze that up. Okay, how are we looking? All right, that's my quick. I kind of want to take this purple shade and go under a little bit to smoke that out so it doesn't look so crazy. I really have no time, so I gotta go. Okay, I'll be back when I get back from school to close out the day. But what do you think? Okay, gotta run, bye. Friends, I'm back from the crazy just to wrap this up. I had a crown on my head. I'll post some pictures. We had a really fun time. That was a really good time. Now I have to get ready for hip hop tonight. So I'm gonna do that, but I wanted to just talk about my hair because this is the first time I'm actually looking at it. And I love what she did. She has these like little, I don't know if you can see them, but they're like little highlights, just enough, not too much, but they're definitely there. I see them now. I couldn't really see them when my hair was wet, but I see them now and I think it looks so cute. So I'm excited. We didn't cut or do anything with the length. I was in such a rush, I had to run out of there. But thanks for being here with me on this quick journey. I like my makeup. It's pretty. I think I just want to like brighten it up a little bit for hip hop tonight. And I was wearing a crown, so I have a big dent on my forehead now, but that's okay. Let's just see. Let's just put on some cheeks. Let's just do that. All right, that's it. That's good enough. Anyway, this is the look. I had fun at the tea party. It was cute. We had iced tea and water and some cupcakes and some cookies. And then he decorated a crown for me, or we did it together, but he decorated the crown. We decorated a flower pot. We planted some green beans. It was so cute. It was a fairy tale like tea party. It was fun. We had a good time. So yeah, that's all I got. Just wanted to wrap this video up. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being here. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.